Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. Tonight, we would like to present final of PBL of this project. The title is Mini Solar Power Plant Monitoring System for Electric Vehicle based on IoT. The member of this team, as Achanyo Saputra, as the leader of this team, Gerardus Yual Tajiris Pujiono, Wahyu Prawira Sanusi, Rian Arista, and last but not least is Aldi Alpedo Siagian.
The slide is background. The solar power plant (PLTS) is a renewable energy solution that converts sunlight into clean and sustainable electrical energy. On the Internet of Things or IoT was developed using an ESP32 and the website application to automatically and best remotely monitor the battery condition in real time via a smartphone. Based on the identified problems, this project is motivated by one's dependence on fossil energy sources that cause pollution and carbon emission. Second, the need for renewable and environmentally friendly energy solution. Third, conventional LTS system lacking real-time battery monitoring. Fourth, manual monitoring being inefficient and less accurate. And the last is the need for a remote monitoring system. Problem that will be solved. First, battery monitoring is still manual and inefficient. Second, there is no real-time monitoring system. Third, no automatic notification or alarm are available. Fourth, cannot be accessed remotely via the internet. And the last is lack of sensor integration with the digital system.
Solution of 4. 1. Real-time monitoring of battery voltage, current and power in the inverter. 2. Automatic notification when abnormal condition occurs. 3. Remote access via the web dashboard. 4. An interactive and informative interface, easy to use without technical expertise. 5. An efficient low power system that is ready to be developed for larger scale. Why is the solution right? Real-time automation and efficient, easy to access, efficient and accurate, environmentally friendly, and flexible to scalable.
How far has the project progressed? Up to this point, the IoT-based mini solar power plant project has reached 100%. All main components have been successfully designed, implemented, built, tested, and finalized. The project is now complete, including system refinement and full documentation of results, use case, ERD, hardware design, system interface implementation. Next, use case diagram. This diagram shows the interaction between user and admin with the mini PLTS solar energy monitoring system for electric vehicles.
So the next ER diagram. This ER diagram shows the database structure of the mini PLTS monitoring system. It calls of several main entities. The next, a hardware design. The data are sent wireless via LoRa communication to a receiver module, which forward the information to web-based dashboard for the real-time monitoring.
So, this is system interface implementation. The first is login view user, second dashboard monitoring user, and the next is report user, alert user, and admin login, and the last is admin panel.
A conclusion. The IoT-based mini solar power plant, or we can say PLTS, monitoring system has been flexible design, implementation, and complete. The system is able to collect data from the solar panel and batteries, transmit the data wirelessly using LoRa communication, and display real-time monitoring result a web-based dashboard. This project demonstrates that IoT and LoRa technology can be effectively applied to monitor solar energy system, efficient, reliability, and remotely.
So this is a documentation of our PBL on this semester. And this is a log view of this PBL on this semester. Have a planning, analysis, design, and implementation. Okay, maybe that's all of our presentation. Thank you.